If you want to know how can you connect your Facebook page to your Instagram account, today in this video I will show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me till the very end, and it's better to start from the Facebook app. So open Facebook and tap right in the top right corner to go to your menu. And then from here, go ahead and switch to your Facebook page. So once you're done switching, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. And then from here, tap on See More in Account Center. So once you open the Account Center, tap on Accounts right here. It will take you to the screen right here. You need to tap on Add Accounts at the top right there. So basically you need to connect your Instagram account to the Account Center right there. So let's go ahead and do that. Now if you see your Instagram account right here, just tap on Confirm Account. If you don't, tap on Not You and go ahead and fill in up your details like the username or the password of your account and tap on Login, and you should be good to go. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.